Hi everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project, and I'll have My Creative Time's websites linked down below so you can go over and visit her as well as her store. And also my design team sisters will be down below so you can go and see their projects today. Let's jump in. And so as you see, I have this cute little box. Cute, cute, cute. I'll show you those projects that I use, but I just want to show you how I made the box there. It is just adorable. So I used her bunnies from this previous release. Just too cute, really simple to put together. I didn't have to do any coloring because she has that paper pack that you can use. And I used her stamps to coordinate with that, added some enamel dots and stuffed some paper down in there. Such a cute little box to give as an Easter basket or a little treat box for my grandsons. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what I used to create this. Starting out, so I used where is it? Which one did I use? Happy Easter, which is right there. And then I used the coordinating dies to cut out the paper. So I used both of those, and one of these are the Happy Easter. And so really, really like that. So simple to put together, just perfect. Okay, here goes the paper that I used. So I used this one right here, and this came from Dots, Flowers, and Solids. And that goes with that spring ginger. And so just a really, really cute set. I'm sure you all have seen some of the papers and things. That's the paper that I used there. And then from the spring gingers, which is the set right here, I used, let me find it here. I used this set right here to cut out the boy and the girl ginger. Just adorable and so simple, so easy to make a project. Then I also used the clouds, slopes, and snowflakes, and I just mask off the snowflakes and use those clouds from both ends there to create that background. And then the grass down here, I actually used a piece of the smallest one to make that, but you can't hardly see it back there, but I did use this though. And this is called torn paper frame dies, and that's the layers. And then for this handle here, I used that right there, and that came from that purse die, and it's just so cute. I did not get the box, but I'll have that picture pop right up on the screen. So you can see that as well. So that is my treat box, and that the box name was Present Box, I think. So sorry about that, but you'll be able to see it there. All right, check out the pictures at the end. Make sure you go over and visit the rest of my design team sisters. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.